Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Eastlink wireless modem. First, carefully unbox all components. You should find the modem, its power adapter, and an Ethernet cable. Also, locate your coaxial cable, which connects to the wall. Ensure you have everything ready before proceeding to the next step. Now, let's connect the cables. First, securely attach the coaxial cable from your wall outlet to the modem's cable port. Next, plug the power adapter into the modem and then into an electrical outlet. Once powered on, wait a few minutes for the modem's indicator lights to stabilize, showing it's ready. With your modem powered up, it's time to connect your devices. For initial setup, you might connect a computer directly using an Ethernet cable. For wireless access, find the Wi-Fi network name and password printed on your modem's label. Use these details to connect your smartphones, tablets, and other wireless devices. Finally, open a web browser on a connected device to confirm your internet access. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact Eastlink support for assistance. For optimal Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home, try to place your modem in a central, open location, away from obstructions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.